Introducing the new Bing AI. Well, Microsoft has just released a new Bing AI powered by the latest version of ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT 4 for free. And today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and use that new Bing AI. First thing that you're going to do is go to your Google Chrome and try to search Bing AI. And then you will find some link right here and right here on Microsoft, as you can see, your AI powered Copilot for the web. So click this link right here and you will go on this page introducing the new Bing, your AI powered Copilot for the web. Now I want you to click this try now button and you'll go in this page. Now if you have Microsoft Edge on your computer, you just click this open Microsoft Edge. And then you will find this Microsoft Bing homepage right here. As you can see on your screen, welcome to the new Bing. Or if you open your Microsoft Edge, you can just search bing.com/new. Then you will go right here on introducing the new Bing. So here it says ask anything, ask your question, short, long, or anything in between. The more precise you ask, the better the answer. Then you will find at the bottom all the templates. You can just use these all templates right here. And if you go and try this Bing, you just click this chat now button. Now you are on the homepage of Bing AI. Now the second way how you can use it is you can click this at the top right corner of your screen, which is the Bing icon. And you'll find this small chatbots right here. So you can simply use Bing AI on this smaller page right here. But for example, I want to use the bigger version. Now, before you get a text prompt, you can choose a conversation style right here. You can choose more creative, more balanced, or precise. So here on more creative, so if we go hover your mouse right here, you will find a regional and imaginative chat here on informative and friendly chat and a concise and straightforward chat. So for this sample, I will choose this balance conversation style. So let's start using this Bing AI. Let's ask anything. We can go right here on this text box at the bottom. And for example, I want to ask, can you help me to come up with travel itinerary for Philippines? Then click on send and then it will automatically generate the answer right here on your Bing AI. So as you can see, it's now starting to generate your answer with a balanced conversation style as we choose that conversation style earlier. Now you will find at the bottom which says 1 of 20, meaning you have 20 results right here. So you can regenerate these answers for you. So you can ask that again right here at the text prompt. And the best thing that I witnessed right here on the Bing AI is that we have a follow-up questions right here at the bottom. And if we click one of those, so for example, I want this, what are the best places to visit in the Philippines? So if you just follow up this question, actually it will find you the results, it will generate you the results right here. So there's a follow-up questions right here that features doesn't have that ChatGPT or other Bard AI. So we have that follow-up questions right there. And then also, as you can see right here, we have 2 out of 20 results now. So you can always generate the answers and give you another answers for you. And also, as you can see right here, it was always online. And you will find all the websites that giving that answers right here. So it was powered by Microsoft. So it gives you the link right here where that information came from. So, well, that's the best thing right here on Bing AI. And then right here on this homepage, what you're gonna do right here, if we click one of those, it will go to that link right here. Okay, then we'll try that Microsoft Bing search right there at the top. Beside that chat button right there, So we're gonna try this Microsoft Bing search. Well, actually, it's just like Google Bard, where if you find something right here on Microsoft Bing, then you will find the answers right here using that Bing AI actually. And then you will find some answers with this Bing AI on this Microsoft search. So if we go right here on Microsoft Bing homepage right here, so it's just like a Google search right here. So you can ask everything right here using that Bing AI. Okay, we'll try to use this Microsoft Bing search right here. So I'll just want to research what's the difference between this Bing AI and the Bard AI. So let's just try to use this Microsoft search. So as you can see, using the Bing AI, it will give you a accurate research right here. Now going back to the chat, if you go right here on the right side of your screen, if you're using that small chat bots right here, it's the same as the bigger one. Actually, you can change your conversation style, creative, balanced, or precise right here. So you can ask also right here, ask anything you want. So for example, I just want to ask right here, best place to travel. So just click on that enter or search, and you will find the answers of the chatbots using this Bing AI. So it's just simple as that. You can ask anything you want right here. So it's just like the bigger version conversation style that you choose right there. And we have that follow-up questions again right here. So you can just choose these follow-up questions and you can go right here and answer that from these chatbots. So that's how you basically use this Bing AI on your Microsoft Edge. So you just need to download this Microsoft Edge right here as we go earlier, and you can use this Bing AI for free or this ChatGPT for free. So that's how you basically get and use this Bing AI on your computer or your laptop. Well, you can also do this on your mobile phone. When you go right here on Google Play Store and then find right here Microsoft Edge, and then right over here, you just need to download or install this application so you can use that Bing AI on your mobile phone. So right here, once you've done, you can now open and set up your Microsoft Edge right here. Continue to tap on skip, and right here, as you can see the homepage, and now on the search bar, you can type right here the bing.com/new. So we can use that Bing AI on your mobile phone. And here it goes, you tap on this start chatting right here. So as you can see, can start to ask anything on Bing AI using your mobile phone. So that's it. If you find this helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, like to this video and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.